welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we talked about 6 reasons why effective communication is important at workplace and 10 steps how to achieve good communication skills. Today, we are going to dive deep into something which is going to transform how you connect, collaborate, and lead in your career. Today, we are going to talk about the mindset shifts for effective communication. So, if you want to handle difficult conversations better, if you want to lead your teams better, if you want to build better relationships at work, or simply be heard at work, these 6 mindset shifts are what you need. So, stay tuned. Before we dive deep into specific shifts, it is important to understand that why at all this change in mindset is essential for effective communication. So let us talk about the 3 key reasons why this change matters. Reason number 1 enhances understanding and empathy. When you shift your mindset to the other person rather than on yourself, you are able to understand their perspectives better. And this isn't just about being nice to others. This will help you to respond better and build trust. Reason number 2 prevents miscommunication. Let's face it, most of the issues at the workplace are a result of misunderstandings. By shifting the way we think, we shift from asking questions to clarifications rather than making assumptions. And this is a game changer. Reason number 3 build stronger relationships. When you start communicating with a growth-focused mindset, your co-workers, your colleagues, your clients, as well as your team members start looking at you as a person who listens and values their ideas and perspectives. And this reputation goes a long way. The mindset shift required for effective communication at workplace revolves around moving from self-centered perspective to other-centered approach. Here are 6 core shifts required to cultivate effective communication at workplace. Number 1, active listening. I need to make my point. I need to understand other person's perspective. Effective communication begins with active listening. When we focus on truly understanding what others are saying, we are able to build rapport and trust. We are able to respond better and thoughtfully. For example, in team meetings, if you adopt a listener's mindset, you will be able to understand others' ideas, perspectives, and points better rather than just preparing your own reply. Number 2, shift from reacting to responding. I'll react based on my initial thoughts and feelings. I'll pause, assess, and respond thoughtfully. Reacting immediately can cause miscommunication, especially when emotions run high. Adopting a responding mindset means taking a pause and considering the best possible way to answer and reply clearly and constructively. This type of approach leads to problem solving and helps you develop a productive conversation approach. This approach involves problem solving and helps you maintain a calm and productive conversation. Number 3, shift from focus on self to focus on others. What do I want to achieve from this conversation? How can we both benefit from this conversation? Moving from a self-centered to collaborative mindset helps you build stronger professional relationships. Communication is more effective when you aim for a win-win outcome. This mindset cultivates mutual respect and better teamwork. Number 4, shift from perfectionism to progress. I need to communicate perfectly. Every interaction is a chance to improve. Effective communicators view each interaction as an opportunity to learn and grow. This growth mindset reduces the fear of mistakes and allows communication skills to develop organically. Number 5, shift from fixed style to flexibility. I have my own style of communication. I'll adapt my style based on the situation and the audience. Effective communicators know that different contexts and situations call for different approaches. Being flexible in your tone, details, and your formality, etc., ensures your clarity in delivering your messages. It also enhances understanding of the audience from diverse backgrounds. Number 6, shift from assuming to asking questions. I think I know what they mean. I'll ask questions and clarify for better understanding. Assumptions lead to miscommunication, while asking question leads to clarity. This type of mindset promotes open dialogue, and it also reduces the chances of miscommunication because there is a deeper understanding of other person's needs and perspectives. These shifts collectively help you improve empathy, adaptability, and clarity, which are essential for any professional setup. By incorporating these mindset shifts in your day to day life, you are building up a strong foundation for impactful and effective communication, not only for yourself but also for your team. So, how are these mindset shifts going to make a difference in your career? Because these are not just feel good changes, they are going to bring real and measurable shift in your career. So, let's talk about 3 tangible outcomes which you are going to get in your career by bringing these mindsets in your life. Outcome number 1, faster and more effective problem solving. Did you know that workplaces with stronger communication are able to solve problems 32% faster than those without? When you are listening actively, when you are asking questions and you're clarifying doubts, there are lesser misunderstandings and you are able to reach the root of the issues quickly. Think about it. Lesser back and forth emails, faster meetings, and faster solutions. Outcome number 2, stronger professional relationships. Studies show that people who communicate with empathy and flexibility report a 40% increase in a positive feedback from colleagues and clients. Why? Because when you make people feel valued, they are more willing to engage with you. People are going to turn to you for advice, collaborations, and insights, making you an invaluable team player. Outcome number 3, greater leadership potential. A Harvard Business Review study shows that 69% of managers believe that people with strong communication skills are likely to be promoted faster. When you incorporate these mindset shifts, you are showing the leadership qualities most of the companies require: flexibility, empathy, and clarity. Because you are not just communicating impactfully and effectively, you are also open for more responsibility, growth opportunities, and a faster course to leadership roles. So these mindset shifts are not just for communicating better, they are setting you up for career success. So there you have it, 6 powerful mindsets which can transform not only how you communicate but also how people perceive and want to connect with you. Which of these 6 mindset shifts you resonated with the most? Drop it in the comment box because I would love to read your thoughts. Thanks for watching the video. Do hit that subscribe button if you liked and found the video helpful. Do share the video with someone who needs to shift their mindset regarding communication skills. Until then, keep communicating, keep growing, and keep making an impact on this world. See you in the next video.